Hi everyone. In this video, we look at how to add QR codes in Canva. Now, it's pretty simple and straightforward to add a QR code in Canva. There are a lot of apps to do this. You just take an app and you just add the link that you want and it just creates a code for you. But what I really want to talk about is how you can add QR codes in Canva which are customized for your brand. So where you can customize the color, possibly a pattern which blends smoothly into your brand. You can add your logo and just make it easily fit into any kind of brand material you're doing, like a business card or a brochure, etc. So let's start by looking at how to add a simple QR code and then we will see how to customize it. So let's say I have a business card over here. It's just a template I took from Canva. So I have a simple template here and I want to add a QR code maybe over here or over here. So what I do is I go to apps and I search for QR code. And then you have all these options. The easiest one is this QR code app where you just put in your website, the link, or it can be a LinkedIn profile, it can be an event, it can be a website, basically any URL. So you just put that and it generates the code for you, okay, which is great. But that's all you can do with this one. Then we see some other apps which lets you connect to a third party platform. So for example, this one. Here it says connecting your account to something which has a tiger logo. Well, I don't have that. I don't have anything with a tiger logo, so I'm just going to ignore that. But then you have another one, which is the QR code by Beatly. Now, Beatly, as you know, is a link shortener. So if you have a huge URL, you can just compress that and create a short link. So you see here, I have a lot of links in my Beatly account, and my Beatly account is connected to my Canva account. So here it's just retrieving the links from Beatly. So this is the short link that I have, and this is the QR code. And all I can do here is change the color. Okay, so I can put orange, green, whatever. I cannot upload all of a logo or pattern, corner, frame, whatever. These are all premium, something like Scan Me, but I don't need that. So this is where I can customize a color, which is great, which kind of, I can choose a particular color, I think. No, I can't. No, I can't. I can only choose from these preset colors. So it's good to have these options of colors, but my brand may not exactly need that kind of that any of these colors, right? Because in this case, you see the brand is like a maroon, black, beigeish, and this will just look very jarring. So and one more thing I wanted to mention. So, yes, you can do it directly with Beatly and you can retrieve your links and it's easy because then you just have all integrated and you don't have to open Beatly. But if you really want to customize your brand, you can, the QR code, you can also just go to Beatly and copy the link and just slap it on over here. Because maybe, you're not creating so many QR codes. It's like such a big effort to go to Beatly once in a while to get the link because any code you put in a regular any URL you put in the regular QR code is going to work. So, if you're creating a business card and then you do it and it's done, or a brochure or an event, you design it and once then you're done, then you don't have to do it again and again. So I would just go to Beatly instead of getting restricted by this. There are some other QR codes here where this one, which lets you add with logo, QR codes with logo. And here again, you can put the website and you can add a logo, for example. I don't know, I'm just going to put this one. This is the closest one. And just to show you an example, this is not the logo for this brand, but who cares? And here it says, okay, HTTPS. Okay, are you being able to integrate the logo? Okay, it is not somehow integrating the logo. Let me choose my own logo and then maybe it does it. So maybe I choose this one. It's easier for it to integrate. I also don't see it here, but maybe we see it later and I can choose the color here and it should work. See, there you go. It takes in the logo over here, right? And then it changes the color and I can apply this. So this is kind of customizable because I can put any color I want. Like I can put this maroon color if I want, and I can put the logo at the center. The logo will always be at the center, but and I can choose the background color so I can make it black, right? And that is how it looks. So what you can customize here is the logo, the foreground color, and the background color. So which is great. If this works for you, this is great. This is called QR codes with logo. The one that I like and the one that I have used occasionally when I have had to do QR codes is the dynamic QR codes app. because this is also free, but what it lets you do is choose a lot between a lot of different designs. So this one, for example, I think works nicely with this flowy brand over here. So I can just put the logo here, and then I can choose the pattern color, right? So I can choose the color of this pattern. So maybe I just choose this color over here. What is this color? I can put this one over here, pattern color. No, I'm going to take the maroon one. So this one can be my pattern color. I can put the pattern color over here, and you see how it's changing above over here. Maybe I make it a little brighter to stand out. And here, the eye color, what is the eye color? It is these eyes. They're called eyes, apparently. I didn't know that either. And you can copy the pattern color so it becomes the same color, but I want to make it a darker color here, right? And then you see this is a little darker, and then it says the frame color. So the frame color is the border essentially. So I can also copy the pattern color here, but I'm going to put this one, right? It asks if you want a background or not. So I can choose to have a white background on this, or I can remove it, and it will just take the background color of this. So it will look more integrated. So for me over here, these little sharp things in the end look a little bit not so great. So I'm going to choose this one. I like this. This is cleaner. So I can put this one over here, and I can put this, just change the color a little bit. And the same color I will put in the frame, in the frame. And I will remove the background. I can keep the background and make it black, but and then I can add to design. But you see there's no contrast here. And what I would always recommend for QR codes is to have a lot of contrast, because you see even traditionally QR codes are black and white because it gives you maximum contrast for anyone to be able to scan the code easily from their phone and go to the link. But that's why I would not put over here black, even though for me it looks very nice, but I would not do that. What I would do is I would remove the background, right? So now it will fit in easily with this the color of the brand, the color of the business over here. I can also choose to add a logo. So I'm going to add my very purple logo here, which will not fit in, but of course, you know what I mean, because you can put your original logo, and you can also have it like, done nicely so it fits in easily. And then I can just add to design. Oops, here. Right? And now you see it fits in so nicely with the brand. It doesn't, I mean, forget my purple logo, of course, because it's the only logo I had at hand for myself. So, yeah. So, but it just kind of looks almost a part of the design, and it doesn't stand out in a glaring black and white thing. So that is how you can customize a QR code for your brand. You can also, of course, try out the other apps over here for QR code. QR code with AI art. You can try this one, and for example it has like snow and street and pirate ship and Christmas time. All of these look great, and you can do here more visibility, and you can, let's say, if I just it well, I don't have any credits left here because I already tried it before, but it has a lot going on, these QR codes. So I would recommend not to have it just for functionality purposes. But, yes, of course, you can also try it out if it works for you. But remember, a business card, especially in real life, is like that small, right? So imagine trying to scan this over here. That's quite difficult. So I would say try to keep it as clean as possible. Honestly, I would not even add the logo. I have done it before one time, but it doesn't really add a lot, especially if it's on a business card. People already see the name of your business. So I don't really add the logo. But if you really want to customize it for your brand, of course you can. So there you go. That's how you create customized QR codes for your brand in Canva. Definitely check out my other Canva tutorials because you might find them useful to answer your specific Canva questions. Thank you, and see you in the next video.